Hello dear children, good morning. Welcome to online classes from St. Thomas High School, Mahua. Today's lecture of English from Standard 3. Okay? So, last we completed our evaluation activity, that is all activities mix up, right? So we completed it and you have to write first activity this evaluation in your fair notebook. Okay? After this our syllabus is almost over only. We'll start with our revision, basics, spellings and all that things. But before giving it, we first discuss the 12th unit today, and then in next lecture we will discuss the 12th unit exercise, and in next lecture I will send a PDF of whole 12th chapter. Today just we'll discuss what is our health is wealth. Okay, only the concept. In next we will discuss the PDF of it, and I will send a PDF in next lecture. So this is health is wealth, right? Now what the main heading or title is there? Read this rhyme first. Early to bed and early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy and wise. You have to sleep early, you have to get up early, and you have to eat the food healthy, which gives us health, and we should be very kind in nature. Okay, this is twin. So health is wealth. Now, these are the questions that do you all get up early in the morning? Some only, na? Not everyone is get up. Second, do your parents advise to go to bed early and get up early? Your parents is telling that for sleep now it is 10 o'clock. You should not awake more than this time, like that. They are telling it. Why they are telling it? Because you are seeing more TV, more mobile. So no. If you will sleep early, then you can get up early, and your mind will become very fresh, and you will get health. If you are sleeping at night 12, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, and then in morning you will awake at 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, this is not a good habit, na? So your parents is advising you to go to bed early to keep your health good. What other advice is given to you to stay healthy? What other parents are telling? That you are eating junk food. That at that time your parents are telling, na, please don't eat. You like only outside food only, not at home made. You don't like these foods, like that your mother is telling, no. So your mother is telling, please drink this full glass of milk. If someone doesn't like eat, you have to eat compulsory 3 chapati. You have to eat compulsory this much amount of vegetables, like your parents are telling to you, na, your grandparents, grandmothers or everyone. This is why, because to make you healthy, so you can do every work very fast. If you will not eat, or if you will not grow, if you will not drink anything milk, so your bones will not grow, and you cannot able to do the work. If you are drinking milk, take example, huh? Two persons are there. A is there and B is there. Now A is there. He likes to drink milk daily. So here he likes to drink milk. Milk. And B is there. Don't like, right? So B don't like the milk and A like milk very much. So what happened? They both will go in race one day. A told to B that today we'll make a race of cycling. So both made, yes, we are agree. Then they both gone for cycling. But B is not drinking milk. He don't like. He is not drinking milk and he is not eating very good vegetables, right? So A is there. Have more energy. He can grow anywhere. He can fight with like Bahubali. He is A. So what will do now then? 1 minute. Huh? Then what he will do? Bahubali sir, he likes to drink water, so her bones get very much energetic and are very strong. So A is there. A and B. So he will, suppose he will A and B is there both, right? So A will won the race, then B will lose and A will win because he has compared to B more energy and he will go fast and he will what? And what? They will very energetic whole the day and like to play, like to read, and he can be much reading very faster than B because he is drinking good amount of food and milk. So children, do you eat healthy foods? If you are not eating, then from now you start to eat healthy foods. You drink 2 cups of milk a day, at morning also and at night or at evening. If you will do, then you will become very much strong. Okay? So drink the milk. Now, activity 2. Hygiene is about keeping oneself clean and healthy. Now, what is hygiene about? Keeping oneself clean and healthy means if you are children, you have to brush your teeth daily twice a day, so your teeth become stronger. First, by drinking milks and eating fresh vegetables, your bones will get stronger. But if you want to make your teeth stronger, then you have to what? Daily try to brush your teeth. Then hygiene means you have to neat and clean every day. You have to bath every day daily. At the morning you should not be dirty. You should keep your hygiene, safety everywhere. Hygiene promotes the health of people and the community. There are some clean habits everyone should try to follow. So many good habits are there that you all have to follow. So today we'll keep up to here only. Then we'll discuss what is the habit that you have to keep so your teeth, your bone or body become healthy. Thank you children. In next I will give a PDF note of 12. Till now you complete the evaluation activity. Thank you.